Hello, this is your friend Sarah from Perry County, Arkansas. So last Friday, June 26th, I was watching the news in the morning and they were talking about what a hotspot Texas was and Arizona was and California was. And I had been planning to drive in August to California for my dad's 80th birthday, but that news was really scaring me. And then at 11:30 that day, my mom called and told me that my dad had passed away quite unexpectedly that morning. So by 3 p.m. we were driving to California. We weren't expecting that. It was not COVID related. On Thursday, he went on a 30-mile bike ride in the morning. In the afternoon, he took a walk. And then Friday morning, he just didn't wake up. So we drove. We went to Oklahoma City. Oklahoma is sort of a hotspot. We stayed in a hotel. The lady who checked us in at night was not wearing a mask. And they did offer a buffet breakfast. And people were eating in a room where the tables were spread out, but everybody was in the room without their masks on. And then we crossed through Texas, and Texas didn't really seem to care about COVID as far as I could tell. I mean, things were open. People were not wearing masks in the gas stations and stuff where we stopped to get fuel and food. And we ventured into New Mexico. You know, those interstates have those changeable alert signs above them. All those signs in New Mexico said, wear your mask, keep your distance, keep New Mexico safe. And New Mexico, of course, is not one of the hotspot places. And then we crossed into Arizona, and once again, the people didn't seem to be embracing the COVID reality. We stayed in the car and away from humans as much as possible. And we got to my mother's house Sunday afternoon. And we are not socially distancing. We're just all staying at my mom's house, trying to be close to her in this time. It's ironic because, of course, you see all these people in the news and they're sick and they're like, I was at a family gathering and I felt so badly. I put my family at risk and I was so stupid. I'm thinking, have you been watching the news? Do you know what's going on right now? And then, of course, my father passed and I did the exact same thing. I drove out to California as fast as I could to be with my family, and we thought about trying to social distance for 5 days, whatever, but we needed hugs. I mean, it's a hard time to do this, and we haven't seen each other in a while, and it's amazing how you can go for one day judging someone for doing something, and then the very next day you're doing it yourself because situations have changed, so. But we're skipping a funeral. We're just gonna go out to sea and scatter his ashes, and we're not even saying we're gonna do one in 6 months or whatever, because it's just so, it could be worse in 6 months, who knows? It's been a hard thing, I guess, death in the time of COVID. I'm sitting here in his office, and next time I come visit my mom, this won't be his office anymore. I've been trying to sit at his desk a lot and soak him in while he still feels fresh, I guess.